The Blok N Mesh standard on-ground vehicle gate can be used with most of our perimeter protection systems, including Go-Hoard PVC hoarding and Defender profiled mesh fencing. It is available as standard in both 2.4 and 3 meters high, with a 5 meter opening and other opening sizes available to order. As a complete on-ground system, no ground excavation is required during installation. It is worth mentioning that the assembly instructions are the same for our high security police and military PolMil gate, which is clad with 358 prison mesh. Remember, Blok N Mesh recommends that its products are handled and installed by a minimum of 2 people, and that installers should wear all mandatory personal protective equipment required for the site, including gloves. First, measure the width of the gate opening, in this case 5 meters, and establish the center line. Position the left and right hand support bases as shown. On reasonably level ground, the recommended distance between the gate post flat faces is the combined width of both gate leaves plus 250 millimeters. The posts are bolted to the support bases and held securely in place by 2 braces, one short front brace and one long back brace for each post. The braces are secured to the posts with brace plates as shown. You should ensure the post is upright before tightening all the bolts. There are various ballast options which can be used with the standard vehicle gates. On this example, we are using 2 Blok N Mesh ultra low carbon concrete 750 kilo Kentledge blocks on each side. These can be directly forklifted into position, or if the angle does not allow for this, you can use a lifting clutch, which allows the block to be accurately positioned by hand before gently lowering onto the support base. We suggest you speak to your Blok N Mesh representative about our site-specific wind load calculation service to determine the appropriate ballast options for your project. Once the ballast is in position, recheck that the post is still upright. The gates normally have the hinges pre-fitted. However, if not, affix the hinges to the gate post prior to installation. Insert the eye bolts through the gate leaves and adjust so the leaves are in position and straight. Finally, drill holes to receive the gate's drop bolts when gate is closed and open. Use ground tubes if required. Blok N Mesh is a market-leading manufacturer, supplier and installer of temporary fencing, site hoarding and barriers. For further information, go to bloknmesh.com.